Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore conventional financing steps with Chase Home Lending, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore conventional financing steps with Chase Home Lending, begin by gathering your financial documents. Collect your recent pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Check your credit score and ensure it is in good standing. Visit the Chase Home Lending website for detailed information. Find the section labeled Conventional Loans. Review the eligibility requirements for conventional financing. Use the online tools to calculate your estimated mortgage payments. Prepare a list of questions to ask your Chase loan officer. Schedule an appointment with a Chase Home Lending representative. During the meeting, discuss your financial situation and goals. Provide the representative with the necessary documentation. Work with the representative to complete a loan application. Review the loan options presented based on your financial profile. Ask for clarification on any terms or conditions you do not understand. Submit your application by monitor your email for updates on your loan status. Be prepared for a possible home appraisal. Respond promptly to any additional requests from Chase for information. Once approved, review the closing disclosure carefully. Finalize your loan by signing all required documents. Celebrate your new financing and begin your journey to homeownership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.